Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome back to another edition of Juice Up with Jay. I'm starting to prepare for the fall and winter season. I got this here rain barrel from Grandma Zoo 5 that I need to attach. So I'm gonna cut right here, maybe right here. I still need to get a stand for the the bottom of the water barrel. I did not know those things were so expensive. So I probably might just layer up a couple of bricks right there, cut it with my hacksaw, and have it draining into the rain barrel. So that's one project that I have to knock out. I have to clean up the shaft for these dragon fruits. I have to harvest the sweet potatoes. As you can see, they're growing aggressively down here. Then I have to repot whatever dragon fruit is in here. So I have to still go out and get my trellises and a couple of buckets for that project. I got some compost in place right here. That's some of my kabocha squash that didn't make it. So I'm just gonna throw them in the compost. That kind of was a heartbreaking situation. So gotta put some soil over that, let that compost in place. Still got some avocados on the tree. Got some roses. Got another, this is my loquat tree that I have to repot and get that going. A couple of pomegranate trees right there, one there and one in the back. Tangerines are coming in. This was the trellis that fell over, so now I'm getting a whole bunch of new growth. I didn't get any fruits off of this year, but hopefully next season I'll get some stuff. I gotta come and clean up all the shaft right here. I gotta clean that up. I definitely gotta come and prune some of this back. Try to find a way to get this stand going again. It kind of grew kind of heavy on this front end, but this was my best producing fruit, dragon fruit this season. Very delicious fruit. And then I have to come through and harvest and cut this. This is wax apple, or Chinese wax apple, or jamu fruit that's coming over from my neighbor's side. So I'm waiting for them to get ripe, and after they ripen up, I'm gonna harvest them, juice them, put them in the freezer. I still gotta go on Amazon and buy some bottles. It's gonna be a lot of juice right here. So that's free food, free drinks, very delicious. They don't last long on the tree. They turn really, really quick. So I have to come and keep an eye on them, but they're definitely taking over my side, but I can't let this food go to waste. And then the last surviving dragon fruit, I'm letting this go a little bit longer than I did all the other ones, just to test the difference in the time length of them being on there. As you can see, this one has also turned. There's a spider living in there. So I'm just gonna leave that there a little bit longer. And then I have one right here. So this is the Venus. That's the Venus, and this is the Mr. Wu that's kind of hiding under there. I left that on there a little bit longer too, just to see if there is a different taste, depending on how long I left it on the vine. So, yeah, so these are aren't they beautiful? Leave a comment down below if you think these are a beautiful looking fruit, more tropical fruit. And this is the Isis Yellow. I'll be trimming these back also. This is new growth right here, so I'm gonna trim this off and get this ready for the winter. This is my cherry tree right here. So probably come and clip some of these off and have the energy going through the main shaft. It's the lemon tree. Lemons are still green, but they're turning day by day. Sierra harvested the first yellow lemon that she could reach. I just harvested some peppers from here. I got some okras growing. I lost yet another clipper in the garden. Don't know where it disappeared to. And I went to one of the big box stores. They wanted to charge me $40 for a new one. So I gotta hit Amazon and order up a new one. Until then, I'm just gonna use a knife. I got some Scotch bonnet peppers right here that I need to harvest. I got a lot of tomatoes here. These are the yellow pear tomatoes that needs to be harvested also. I got these beds that I gotta clean out. So it's a lot of work to do. A lot of work to do. Got these, definitely have to clean these beds out. I think I wanna put some potatoes down. I had a cat, Queenie, sent me some cabbage seeds and J3, and they were growing well. And then a cat came and just dug them all up. So now I have to replant here. So I'm a little bit behind with that. But, you know, I plan to get some work done today. So that's a look at the garden, guys. You know the motto on the page, each one teach one. Juicing with Jay. And I will see you on the next video. Peace.